Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Coding Card. So in this session we will try to solve one hacker rank problem. The problem name is Game of Thrones 1 and it's under the string in algorithm. So let me first explain you this problem in a simple way what they are saying. So here you will be given one string. So for example if I am taking a simple string as and B. So they are saying that from the given sample string if we are able to make a palindrome then we will simply print yes, otherwise our output will be no. So for example, if I arrange this given string as, if I am arranging in a this way, so you can see here, from the left side I am getting A, B, B, and from the right side I am getting A, B, B, and this is my middle one. So you can see here, we are able to make the palindrome. So here my answer will be yes. If you are not able to make a palindrome, then we have to simply print the no. So this is the problem. So you can see here, for example, this is my sample input and we are able to make palindrome. So if I can arrange this string as in this way, then we can simply make it palindrome. So we are printing here yes. So the approach is quite simple to solve this problem. Here you can see here we have to complete this function Game of Thrones. We are provided with one input string. So the approach is quite simple. Suppose I am taking a sample string as, let me build few test cases. Suppose I have a string like, suppose this is my given string in which all the characters are occurring in a even order, means even number of times. Suppose A have occurred twice, B have also occurred two times, and C have occurred two times. So if I can arrange this string as, I'm taking here A, B here, and B here, C and C here. So you can see here this is palindrome. So if all the very first test case is, if all the occurrence of the my character are in even order, then we can simply make it palindrome. Now second test case will be if one of the character is in odd. So for example, if my string is suppose A, B, C, A, B, C, and suppose one is D. So you can see here D have occurred one time. So I can arrange this one as in a same fashion like A, B, B, C, C, and suppose in D is in middle. So you can see here from left side I am getting A, B, C, from right side A, B, C, and D is in middle. Then also we are able to make it palindrome. So if only one is odd, then we are also able to make is palindrome. Now one scenario will be like more than one odd. Suppose I am taking two odd, like suppose A, B, C, and D and E. So occurrence of A is 2, B 2, C 2, and D is 1, and suppose E is 1. So if I arrange this one like A, B, B, C, C, and D and E. So you can see here from left side I am getting ABC, from right side I am getting ABC, but in the middle I have D and E. So we want to be able to make it palindrome. So if the occurrence of my character is, all the occurrences are in even, then we can simply make it palindrome. If only one occurrence is odd and rest are in even, then we can simply make it palindrome. Otherwise, if the occurrence of all are even and more than one odd is present, then we won't be able to make it palindrome. So this is the scenario. So let us write the code here. So to count the each character, we will simply take, to count each character we will simply take the counter. So from collection we will import counter. Now we are provided with the string. Now we will take the counter in A. Now we will take one variable for taking the odd count. So odd equal to 0. Now from the counter I will simply take all the values part. In counter these are my keys and these are my values. So I will simply take the values. So values val equal to a dot values. and I'll simply take it in a list. Now I have to check whether the occurrences are even or odd. We have to check all the occurrences of each character are even or odd. Now for v in val, for each occurrences, like for a I'm getting here 2, for b 2. So in my list I will having, if my suppose this is my string, then my val will look like 2 comma 2 1 and 1. So I will iterate through each values and I will check whether it is even or odd. If my v is modulo 2 equal to 0, if it is my even, then I will simply pass, simply continue, no need to check, cause if it is even then we can simply make palindrome. Now if it is odd, else we have to add 1 to the odd. We are done with the logic. Now we will check if odd equal to 0 or odd equal to 1. If my odd is 0 or odd is 1, then we can simply, we are able to make the palindrome. So we'll simply return yes, else we'll return no. So this was the logic. So let us run this code. So we are done with the sample test cases. Now let us submit this code. So we are running. So we are done with all the hidden test cases. So congratulations. So this was the logic. We have to only check the if all are even, then we are simply able to make the palindrome, or only one character is odd, then we are also able to make the palindrome, else we won't be able to make palindrome. So if you like this video, please do give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next video.